auto rickshaw is very nice police car. Cartoony Spider-Man car. Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I am coming with a new interesting video. You can see now I am beside a paddy field. And friends, here is many toy vehicles and a empty bucket. So now I will introduce with you all of these toy vehicles one by one and collect in this bucket. So wasting any more time, let's go. Wow, at first is a police bike. This is very nice cartoony police bike. See this color, this is white, blue and black color combination, this police bike. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one, oh, this is a Spider-Man car. See, this is also a cartoony Spider-Man car. This is yellow and black color combination, this nice model car. Wow, this is a Rev Super Bus. Friends, you can see here this 6-wheeler Rev Super Bus is a red and black color combination, and here is also many Rev sticker. So I collect this one at my bucket. Wow, this is also a police car. See friend, here is many color combination police car. This is a yellow, pink, green and red color combination this car. So I collect this one here. Wow, this is a 4-wheeler Jeep car. You can see friend, here is many color. This is red, black, white and green color combination this car. Oh, I take a new vehicle. This is a 6-wheeler animal truck. See, this is orange, black and pink color combination this vehicle, and here is also a cow. This is white and black color combination. Wow, now I take a Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. This is yellow, black and white color combination. This auto rickshaw is very nice and beautiful model. See, this is CPS plastic toy realistic model. This auto rickshaw, you can see this vehicle in a city. Oh, this is a cartoony runner car. See friend, this is very nice red, black and white color combination. This runner car is very powerful. Wow, here is a racing car. This is very fastest V2 racing car. This is yellow, blue and white color combination. This car is very nice and beautiful model. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And this one is my favorite model R17 high-speed bike. See, this is red and black color combination. This bike is very nice and costing bike. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And this is the last toy vehicle, is a funny toy flying horse. It's very nice green color combination this vehicle. Wow, this is very beautiful. So I also collect this one at my bucket here. So friends, all of these toy vehicles introduced with you and collect in this bucket, and bucket is fulfilled with many color combination toy vehicles. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.